Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome you to my video lectures on network analysis. Now, today I will continue with the tutorial on Thevenin theorem. Determine Thevenin equivalent of the circuit about the terminals EB. That is, this is network A. This is network A. And this network A has got a dependent source. So this is a current controlled voltage source, and its controlling variable is also in network A. Now, as there is a dependent source, so we have to use both Thevenin theorem and Norton theorem. So from Thevenin theorem we have to find VOC, and from Norton theorem I have to find out IISC. Now first let us find out VOC. So anyhow, this is open circuited and this is called as VOC, open circuit voltage. Open circuit voltage. Now I have to find out the open circuit voltage. Now this is an open circuit, so current cannot flow here. Therefore 5 ampere has to flow through 10 ohms. Therefore what is I10 then? I10 is equal to 5 amperes. I10 is equal to 5 amperes. I10 equal to 5 amperes. So as I10 is equal to 5 amperes, so 3 times I10 becomes 15 volts. 3 times I10 means 15 volts. And this voltage is 5 into 10, that is 50 volts. 50 volts. Now what is open circuit voltage? This voltage plus this voltage. VOC is equal to, as there is no current through 2 ohms, therefore voltage drop here is 0. And here plus to minus, fall in potential taken with plus sign, 15. Then in going through 10 ohms it is 50 volts. 50. Therefore 50 plus 15 means 65 volts. Therefore open circuit voltage is 65 volts. Now after finding VOC, now we have to find the short circuit current. The short circuit current is, to find the short circuit current, short the terminals, and the current that flows through the short circuit is what is called as I short circuit. Now to find I short circuit, now this is 5 amperes and this is I10. Therefore this current is 5 minus I10. 5 minus I10. And 5 minus I10 is also equal to ISC. ISC is also equal to 5 minus I10. 5 minus I10. Now I will apply KVL to this path. If I apply KVL to this path, in going from here to here, it is minus 3 I10, because in going from minus to plus, rise in potential taken with minus sign. Next, plus 2 times 5 minus I10. Next, in going this way, it is minus 10 I10 equal to 0. Therefore minus 3 I10 plus 10 minus 2 I10 minus 10 I10 equal to 0. Therefore 10, 12 plus 3, 15. So minus 15 I10 is equal to minus 10. Therefore I10 is equal to 10 by 15. 10 by 15. Now I10 is 10 by 15. Therefore what is ISC? I short circuit is equal to 5 minus I10, that is 10 by 15. Therefore 15, 75 minus 10. That is 75, 10, 65 by 15. 65 65 by 15, that is 5 ones are 5 threes are, so that is 13 by 3. 13 by 3. Now what is R Thevenin? R Thevenin is equal to VOC by ISC. That is 65 by 13 by 3. That is 15. That is 15 ohms. Therefore, Thevenin equivalent is 65 volts in series with 15 ohms. This is terminal A. So this is how we have to work out a problem with a dependent source. Thank you.